Into the weather prospects. Let's find out whether there is any chance. Here, I have to say, very sadly, for the very last time, is the lovely Nina Ridge.
Thank you very much, Jane. Yes, we've been sent some great pictures over the last couple of days of the meteor shower. This one been sent in to us from Hertfordshire over the last couple of days. Now, we will continue to see the risk of some of these showers developing, see the showers through the night tonight with some clear skies. You may get views like this one of this shooting star zipping across the sky in Coventry. What about that forecast? Well, ignore the rain to the south just for now. Certainly southern air is clouding over through the night. If you are hoping to see the Perseid meteor shower tonight, the best chance of keeping those clearer skies really across parts of northern England and into southern Scotland. It needs to be through the early hours. Particularly good conditions at the moment because there's also a new moon, so the skies are dark as well. That will really help your viewing. Now, what about the weather forecast? Well, through this morning, we've had a bit more cloud to the south, just like the last couple of days. And I think still some cloud holding on to southeast England, parts of East Anglia through this afternoon. More overcast across the northwest corner of Scotland with some patchy outbreaks of light rain and some drizzle. But away from those areas, the rest of the afternoon predominantly dry with some bright or some sunny spells. Our warmest spot across northern England, the North Midlands, where we're climbing into the low 20s. Underneath cloudier skies in the south around 20 degrees. And just like the last couple of days, the high teens for Scotland and Northern Ireland. But we saw that rain. We really do need to focus on it because potentially we could see some disruption. Thunderstorms brewing, some very warm, muggy, humid air moving up through the night across southern counties of England. The potential for some torrential downpours mixed in with that. There will be some uncertainty in the location of the heaviest downpours, as is always the nature with this type of forecast. This really just gives you the indication that it's southern areas more likely to see these thunderstorms pushing their way northwards through the afternoon. The first band losing its intensity, but another cluster potentially following on behind. Because we've got this warm, muggy, humid air, if the cloud does clear and we get a bit of sunshine, temperatures will climb to the southeast. But all the while, it remains dry and bright across Scotland and Northern Ireland with temperatures in the high teens. Now, as we go through Friday, that low pressure is still with us, pushing its way northwards. Still could bring some very heavy rain at times, joined in by another weather front moving in off the Atlantic. So we're left behind with this zone stretching down through parts of Scotland, England and Wales, slowly pushing its way further east. The rain starting to ease off, allowing something drier, brighter and fresher to move into the west later on in the afternoon, but still quite muggy to the southeast. And further north, we've got temperatures at around 14 to 16 degrees. So after today's fine weather, we really need to watch the forecast. There are some Met Office warnings in force because of the potential risk of disruption due to the amount of rain falling in a very short space of time. If you'd like more details on the warnings, then you can always head to our BBC Weather website. Jane, back to you.
Nina, thank you very much indeed. Thank you. And just a reminder of our top story.